opposite saw me. You're gonna give me a dirty look.
You went in the shower.
Yeah, so what? I'm not the only one.
Do you go in the shower?
No. I take baths.
What was I supposed to do? Get out of the shower, put on my bathrobe, go all the way down to the other end, come all the way back?
Did you ever hear of holding it in?
No, that's very bad for the kidneys.
How do you know?
Medical journals.
Do the medical journals mention anything about standing in a pool of someone else's urine? Hello?
Oh, hi, honey.
What are you doing here?
I just thought I'd drop off a few things.
Oh. Well, I must have been in the incinerator room when you left. There you go, Mike.
Another quote? Huh?
Cherry!
Uncle Leo.
Hello!
So, if you or your wife want to drop by on Wednesday, it should be ready.
Your wife?
Yeah. My wife.
What are you talking about?
I got married.
You got married? I wasn't invited? Nobody sends me an invitation?
Well, it was sudden.
Are you ashamed of your uncle? Do I embarrass you?
No, it was a small ceremony.
Haven't I always been a good uncle?
Yes.
Who told you when you went to school that you print well? When he was younger, he had a beautiful penmanship. I used to encourage him to print.
I'm a good printer.
I remember your V. It was like a perfect triangle. Oh, that's my bus.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Mario! Uncle!
I'm glad you're here. This could get really boring. You know where I can get some good olives?
I can find out.
Would you?
Sure. Oh, a project. That's a definite signal.
And by the way, you look really great in that leotard.
Thanks. That's no signal.
She didn't react until it ran a little bit. Then she reacted.
You know what's weird? I think I had a dream about you last night.
Okay, he overlooks me, he dreams about me, I'll have a project, that's it. I'll ask him to stay out. You, Greg, I didn't want
Sip your water.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Hi. It was nothing.
See that guy right there?
Yeah, you mean that?
Yeah. I caught him urinating in the shower. I think I'm thinking about turning him in, too.
Honey? Could you get me something to drink?
You're right there.
Come on, I'm sitting.
Honey, what'd you do with the can opener?
I didn't do anything with it.
Well, it's not here. It was here yesterday.
It's in the first
Do you
drawer.
see the third one? There were 3.
It's not here.
Yes, it is.
Hey, I'm not stupid. I'm looking in that drawer. There's no can
The
opener.
one eating a bush
Did I
over there.
say you were stupid?
Yeah, that's the mom.
You tell me there's a can opener in the drawer. I'm looking in the drawer. There's no can opener.
I hope the third one's okay.
You want me to go find him?
Yes, I do. You show me where there's a can opener in that drawer. Hello, I'm sorry. I'm just fighting with my wife.
Jerry, we just heard. What's going on?
Why the hell didn't you tell us?
Listen, Mom, I mean...
He was in here yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Who is she? When
Not
did this
barking.
happen?
I told you to
Understand
get married. She thought you'd never do it.
What are you talking too loud?
I'm not talking loud.
You're hurting my eardrum. Well, you must have done something with it.
I'm on the phone.
Is she there? Can we talk to her? What's her name?
Mom, I'm not married.
What?
I'm not married.
I knew it. I told you.
Uncle Leo said.
I'm just pretending I'm married to get a discount on dry cleaning.
A discount on dry cleaning?
Could you make a little more noise? Listen, I'm going to have to call you later.
Well, I give up.
Well, whoop-de-whoop.
I need coffee.
Yeah. Oh, boy. I'll get it. Take it easy. Why are you so tired?
My quilt is still at the cleaners. Jerry, I can't sleep without my quilt. Like the other night,
I was cold, so last night I turned up
There
the
they go,
heat. It's
Lil.
too hot. I opened up
There
the
they
window.
go.
It's too cold.
Where'd they go, Lily?
Get into the soul.
Where'd they go, Lily? Where's the babies?
I forgot.
Where's the babies? Where'd they go, hon?
Hey, I'm sorry about all that.
Where'd the babies go?
Yeah, me too.
They're still back there. Do you see them?
Good night.
You drop 40 grand
Lily,
on a new set of
Lily.
wheels. And wham,
Lily,
minivan T-bones.
where'd the babies go?
Guess what? Your insurance company will only give you $37,000 to replace it. Depreciation, they claim. How can my car depreciate before its first oil change, you ask? Maybe the better